The Tecno Camon 17 comes in a very beautiful and sturdy white box. On opening the very sleek box, we are greeted by the Camon 17 in all its glory. Probing further into the box, we have a silicone case for protection, a small pack housing and earpiece, a micro USB 2.0 cable, which is a PT by today's standard, and 18 watts fast charging and a SIM ejector pin. There is already a screen protector pre-installed on the phone, so you have no fears about scratches. This color is called Deep Sea, and on the right of the device are the volume rockers and power button. The left side features the SIM slot that houses 2 nano SIMs and an SD card. The top features nothing, the bottom features a microphone, headphone jack, micro USB port, and a loudspeaker grill. The back has a triple camera vertical stage housing a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera, and this device also has a 90Hz refresh rate screen, a 5000 mAh battery. You also get 4 gigs of RAM and double of the storage you get on the Camon 16, which is 128 GB.